Hello guys, Game Changers here, showing you how to get 3 extra apps onto your dock on your iOS device. You will need 3D touch for this, but let's get into the video. So guys, you might be a bit confused by the title of this app. Basically, it's one single application that allows you to open 4 applications from this one app. It's pretty amazing. This is the free version, and basically you get to choose what apps you want on there. There will be certain apps you're not allowed to use, but obviously the main ones are able to be used. As you can see, the locked ones, you do have to upgrade the app, which is 99 cents I believe, or 99 pence, depending where you're from, and it'll allow you to put whatever apps you want in there. And I'm pretty sure if you buy it, it does allow you to put more apps in there, so you can pretty much run your whole iOS device from this one app. But as you see, I'm going to choose the apps now. It does require 3D touch, so as you'll see, I activate it. Safari, Messenger, Messages, and my Twitter. As you can see, I can open them all up. It will ask you the first time that you open some of them to allow them to be opened, and then it'll let you open them. As you see, Messenger didn't work that time. Press it again, it'll open the app, press open, and it'll allow you to open the app. And then if you go back out of this and try it again, it'll actually open the app up first time. And there you go. Same, I believe, with the Twitter. It does the same there. As you can see, it took me straight to a new message on my messages when I tap that one, and the Twitter one, it'll do the same. It'll ask me to allow it to open Twitter, and then when I come back out, I do it again, and bang, it straight opens up to Twitter. It's a pretty cool app, guys. Great for shortcuts, great for making things easier and quicker for you guys, so you don't have to be scrolling through pages and pages of apps. If you've got a certain few that you can't keep down in your dock, and you've got a couple of other apps that you like using, you can just scroll this down into your dock with 3 other apps that you like using, and that makes a total of 7 apps all together in your dock. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. And I will be bringing more videos out, a customization video for tomorrow hopefully, so I'll see you then. Peace.